In today's fast-paced world, finding balance is more important than ever. With the constant hustle and bustle, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and disconnected. Yoga offers the perfect harmony between mind, body and soul. It provides a sanctuary where you can reconnect with yourself and find tranquility amidst the chaos. Yoga is more than just physical exercise. It's a holistic practice that encompasses breathing techniques, meditation and mindfulness, promoting overall well-being. It's a practice that has been around for over 5,000 years, helping people achieve inner peace and physical strength. Through its ancient wisdom, yoga continues to guide us towards a balanced and harmonious life. First and foremost, yoga is a powerful stress reliever. Through deep breathing and mindful movements, yoga helps calm the nervous system, reducing anxiety and improving mental clarity. When we focus on our breath, we shift our attention away from daily pressures and into the present moment. Yoga also enhances your physical body. It improves flexibility, builds strength, and increases balance. By engaging in regular yoga practice, you can experience a significant transformation in your physical capabilities. Whether you're stretching in downward dog or holding a plank, each movement is designed to work on different muscle groups, ensuring a comprehensive workout. Each pose targets specific muscles, helping to build endurance and resilience over time. The more you practice, the more you will notice your body becoming stronger and more flexible. Even a beginner can see improvements with consistent practice. Starting with simple poses and gradually advancing to more complex ones can lead to noticeable progress. Yoga helps tone muscles while avoiding strain and injury. By focusing on proper alignment and mindful movements, you can safely enhance your physical fitness and overall well-being. But the mental benefits are just as powerful. Regular yoga practice has been proven to reduce symptoms of depression and improve overall mood. It encourages mindfulness, allowing us to reconnect with ourselves and develop a positive mindset. If you struggle with sleep, yoga might be the solution you've been looking for. Studies show that yoga helps people fall asleep faster and improve sleep quality. The relaxation techniques you learn in yoga can calm the mind and prepare your body for restful, rejuvenating sleep. Yoga is also fantastic for your overall well-being. It improves cardiovascular health, strengthens the immune system, and can even reduce inflammation in the body. It truly nurtures your entire being, from head to toe. Yoga is for everyone, regardless of age, experience, or fitness level. It's a practice that welcomes all, offering a path to wellness that is both inclusive and adaptable. Whether you're seeking mental clarity, physical strength, or emotional balance, yoga provides a holistic approach to health. Or just a moment of peace in your busy day, yoga can be your sanctuary. It's a time to reconnect with yourself and find inner calm amidst the chaos. Yoga has something to offer everyone. From the serenity of meditation to the challenge of advanced poses, it caters to all needs and aspirations. So, roll out your mat, take a deep breath, and embrace the journey. Each session is a step towards a healthier, more balanced life. Begin your journey toward a healthier mind and body today. Let the natural surroundings inspire you and enhance your practice. Remember, the practice of yoga is personal. It's a unique journey for each individual, and every step forward is progress, no matter how small, and every step forward is progress.